In this video, I am going to show you magical time-saving trick, that is how to use filter with custom view. We have a data range here with salesperson, company, product, order value, bottom line, billing, and year. And there are more than 1000 records in this data range. Suppose we have to filter the data on salesperson James and order value greater than 1 lakh. So we'll go to data, we'll click on filter. In salesperson column, we'll select James, and in order value, we'll click on number filters greater than 1 lakh. When you click OK, you will get all the data of James where the order value is more than 1 lakh. Now suppose we have to filter data on Suresh and the year 2023. To do that, first we'll have to clear the filter and then apply new filter to get the data of Suresh and the year 2023. So we'll click on clear filter. We'll select salesperson as Seroshan and the year we'll select it as 2023. So we'll get all the data of Roshan for the year of 2023 that the sales has been done by Roshan. But what if I want to see the filter applied earlier on James having order value greater than 1 lakh? That means again we'll have to clear the current filter and apply new filter. So instead of applying and clearing the filters again and again, we can use custom view to store the applied filters and reuse those filters as and when needed. So let's see how the custom view works. So we'll first clear the filter. Again, we'll filter the data for James having order value greater than 1 lakh. So click on filter. For the salesperson, we'll select James and order value will be greater than 1 lakh. So you have got the data of James where the order value is more than 1 lakh. Now we'll go to view, click on custom view, click on add. So we'll give a name to it. I'll just enter it as James and 1 lakh. Click OK. So we'll go to data, we'll clear the filter. Now let's see. I want the salesperson as Roshan. The product he has sold should be Dell, and the billing has been done. So that is the filter which we have applied. We'll go to view again, click on custom views, click on add. I'll save the name as Roshan, Dell, and done. Let's go to data and clear the filter. Once again, we'll apply the filter for Sonal, where the billing is still pending for the year 2023. So that is the data. We'll apply one more filter, order value greater than 50,000. Or we'll make it as greater than 1 lakh. So that is the data for Sonal, where the order value is greater than 1 lakh and the billing is pending for the year 2023. Let's go to view, click on custom views. I'll click on add, save it with the name as Sonal, (1 lakh), pending and 2023. So I'll clear the filter once again. So this is the original data. I'll save the original data also with a name in the custom views. So I'll just type ORIG and click on OK. So now every time you don't have to go back to data and apply filters. So if you click on custom views, you have already saved all these filters. To apply these filters, you can click on any of the filter and click on show. So it will show you all those data which has been saved as the filter. To quickly access this custom view, we can click on custom quick access toolbar, click on more commands. In quick access toolbar, we'll select all commands and we'll search for custom views. Click on custom views, click on add and click OK. So now you have the custom view here itself in the quick access toolbar. So whenever I want to search for any of the filter which I had applied earlier, I can just go back in the custom views and click on either James. So it will show me all the data with the James which has got order value more than 1 lakh. If I want to see the original data, I'll just click on original. It will remove all the filters and it will show you all the data where it is in the data range. Suppose I want to search again the filter as Roshan who has sold Tel and the billing has been done for it. So I'll click on Roshan and it will show me all the data of Roshan where the billing has been done. So in this way you can keep adding the filters or keep saving the filters in the custom views, and whenever you need it you can just go back to custom views and select the filter name whatever you have saved and you'll get those filters applied over there automatically.